is about 7 p.m. Nigerian time, and man, I'm not done. I'm still trying to wash some things. If I could get done with all these things and try to dry them in the hanging zone, it must have been night. So night, I can't go home anymore. But anyway, let's just start working. Because it's already night, before I leave my room, I have to switch off the light. Then come back here. Just like this. Not so bad, is it? That wonderful video. See what I want you to do for me here. I want you to subscribe to this channel, and if you are subscribed, please share to your friends and like the video. Of course, you have to like the video. It's very, very important to me. Thank you so much. So I'll see you next Friday. Don't fail to come back. Come back next Friday, please. Please come back next Friday. All right, see you. Bye bye.